Małgorzata Krzyżowska. This is Poland, and I would like to provide you with legal backgrounds and some information on business conducting in Poland currently due to the situation with coronavirus. And this presentation is supposed to be mainly for business entrepreneurs, so I would like you to focus on these particular issues. First of all, you should know that many of the shops, most of the restaurants are closed now because of the legal regulations, which are very strict. And you are not allowed to conduct business activity in commercial centers over 2,000 square meters. And you're not allowed to conduct businesses like restaurants, like cafes, or any entertainment places. You can conduct your business activity if you have the restaurant, but you have to do it outside of the restaurant. You have to provide your client with your products. Actually, the situation is very difficult, and it causes many troubles concerning the, for example, concerning the employment. We are forced to have the 14 days off for all our employees that are coming from outside, from vacations or other places that were outside of Poland. And you have to take care of your remunerations. So the remunerations of your employees are currently the issue for many employers. While you have, if you have, for example, a business that needs your activities, your active attitude, that needs you to act, and that needs your employees to go to the clients. Now it's just impossible because the clients either don't operate or don't want to see your employees coming to their offices. So then comes the question whether I should pay my employees the full salary or not. So for this reason, we have to know that in the labor code, there is a regulation that gives you, the employer, as a possibility to lower the remuneration to the 60% of the standard remuneration, while when such a situation occurs that the employee is only ready to work but cannot work because the circumstances are like this, like today. What you should also know is that there is an issue of force majeure, of vis Majeure, of this, unpredictable, completely external circumstances that influence your company, your business, and you cannot act. Actually, you cannot develop your business. You cannot conduct your business activity. Force majeure is not defined in the civil code in Poland. Force majeure is only defined in the judgments. And we say in the current situations that if your business cannot be conducted, if you are not allowed to conduct your business due to the current regulations, and the regulations came into force in March, the crucial regulations concerning the the business conduction, then you can say that there is this force majeure, and you can also, due to the force majeure, say that you cannot, for example, pay your rent, or you cannot fulfill all your obligations concerning, let's say, all your obligations arising from a contract, because you cannot act. That means that you can say that you're not liable also for, that you don't have this liability to conduct your contract, or to act in a normal way. So you are not also obliged to pay any fees, let's say the fees that you normally would have to pay, for example, because you are late with doing something. So these are the main issues, like force majeure, like employment, and the business conducting itself, whether you can or you can't. We don't know how long it'll take to have these restrictions in force, but actually it's for the protection of everyone. And you should know that we will be informing you about any changes in the law, about anything that will positively influence on your business activity. Thank you very much, and see you later. Keep safe, and be safe and healthy, of course. Thank you.